Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katie. I wanted to try out products that I bought at Big Lots. I haven't been to Big Lots in a while, probably like 4 or 5 years. I'm never sleeping on it again. And there were a lot of things that I saw that I bought. Let's not talk about it. One of those things was a Silky straight brush straightener thingy. Now, I've always been curious about them, plus this one was like $20, so I didn't see any harm in trying it out. I don't straighten my hair. I don't really do anything with it. As you can tell, it says ceramic wrapped bristles heat up to gently smooth out and straighten hair in just minutes, giving you straight, healthy, shiny hair with lots of volume. Let's see about that. I don't know how to blow dry my hair. The times that I've tried, I come out looking like I got electrocuted. So I usually use, what's it called? A flat iron, a straightening iron. That one can tend to make my hair like really flat, especially how many times I have to pass it over. So I'm really interested in using this and I hope it works. I don't think it will, we'll see, but I want it to work. It says, get salon quality results. I want that. Has auto shut off, fried bristles, evenly distribute heat, 6-foot long swivel power cord, and then they just have a bunch of pictures. There's no way. Before we get into the review, please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet. I'd really appreciate it. I have new videos up here every Saturday, so yeah, come on in, join the family. Instructions for use: allow silky straight adequate time to reach maximum heat before using. Brush hair with regular brush before use to remove tangles. Do not use on wet hair. Always use on clean, dry hair, free of any gel sprays or other hair products. Do not use with hair extensions. So it does say too, like, instead of using it like I would a normal brush, I have to have it facing, the bristles facing away from my scalp. So that's gonna be hard because I'm gonna want to just brush my hair. I'm gonna plug this in and then comb my hair as it heats up and section it and stuff. Okay, so this becomes hot, but like, how do I set it down there? So let's turn it. Oh, it's like it's not turning on. I haven't even plugged it in. It's fine, we're fine. It's all gonna be okay. The green light is on, indicating it is on. Okay, so it'll blink until it's ready for use. I don't feel very confident. I don't have a good feeling about this. Wow, that was fast. The green light is already on. As you can see, my hair is not very curly, like I said. I'm not sure if it would work on mine, like on these parts. Run my comb through my hair once more to make sure there's no tangles. It's super hot. You can also see that my hair is kind of thin. The only reason why my hair seems to have volume is because of the waves, but I know it says not to do this, but hot, my hair. And I am doing this on 3rd day hair. Alright, I'm okay. Best $20 I ever spent. I mean, I know I'm using it wrong, but it's working, so. I actually like this because, yeah, whenever I use my flat iron, it'll, like, it won't have this cute thing going on. It'll be super flat because I'm squishing it, of course, so it loses a lot of its volume and its weight, I guess you could say. Like I said, I don't do this often. Please do not judge me too harshly for how badly I part my hair. I'm just trying to get the baby hairs that are up here. I feel like this doesn't do as much heat damage as a flat iron does, because my hair looks like it's smoking whenever I use my flat iron. This would be a good tool for touch-ups. My hair looks so pretty and healthy. When I flat iron it does not look like this. It gets like all greasy. And like I said, there's no weight to it. And this is like so free-flowing. It's so pretty. I'm just very lightly going like this because I don't want to burn my scalp. Even though I feel like it won't. Because the black bristles, at least here, these aren't hot. It's just the blue, the ceramic. I'm gonna move on to this side. And I know the back looks a little bit funky just because, yeah, that right there. So I'll get the back after I finish this side. So this part, the back is like a lot hotter now, but I can still, so I don't feel bad about putting it like on my counter. I do have it on top of like a little towel. Well, I started doing my hair maybe 30 minutes ago. Yeah, if you had thicker hair, you would have to have such thin sections that it would just take forever, I feel. Because my hair isn't that thick, and I'm still trying to make sure I get every hair. I'm just doing the back now and just touching up, and I will be back with final thoughts. I'm back and my hair is fabulous. This is why I can't straighten my hair, because I just run my fingers through it and then it gets greasy in like 2.5 seconds. What do y'all think? I love it. I think this is like, I mean, it took me the same amount of time it takes me with a flat iron, which is about an hour and a half. But I love this. I don't think I'm ever going to use my flat iron again. This is really good for someone who's just starting out. If teenager me had this, this would have changed the game. I used to straighten my hair all the time. This is very easy to use. The weight is kind of, you know, it's kind of heavy back here, of course, because that's where all this stuff is. But I don't think it weighs any more than a hot iron does. Maybe just a tad, but not a lot. It didn't tire out my arms or anything. Like, I have a lot of friends who have naturally straight hair who will still straighten or blow dry their hair, and I feel like if you do that, this would be good for you if it's something simple. Yeah, the blue is what's hot, not the black. Ceramic lasts a long time. The straightener I have is ceramic, and I've had it for like 8-9 years. So, and it still works. I mean, it does clamp my hair and pull it out, but it still works. That's all for this week's video. Please leave any questions down below. I will see you all in next week's video. Bye.